Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to show how to change LCD for Oppo A1K.
The first thing you have to do, you have to take out the SIM tray. Okay, then you start to open it. You just put your nails here. If you have nails, if you don't have nails, you use a pencil. Open it right now. You take out the back cover. Okay, you have to take out all the screws at the back, so many screws. Then you have to remove this back cover. The side. You disconnect the battery. Then you take out the battery. Make sure you hold this green one and pull it slowly and slowly. Don't force it. But it's hard to remove, but just open it slowly like this. Then it will open. You take out the battery. Okay, remove this plastic. Just remove it halfway, no need to remove all. Remove it halfway like this. Then you take out the LCD cable. So you put at the heat machine at least for 10 to 15 minutes. After you heat it for 15 minutes or 10 minutes, you have to open it now. Just start to open it like this. Okay, you take out the back screen. Okay, now you need to clean it right around. Remove all this white glue. Remove all this one. Make sure you clean it right around. After I clean it right around, now it's time to apply the glue. Okay, you make sure you apply it right around and be careful for the sensor. Don't put on top of the sensor. Just put close to the sensor like this. Okay, and make sure you put it right around. Be careful for the front camera. Don't put on top of the front camera. Just put close to it. Okay, and make sure you put it right around. Okay, after you put the glue right around, okay, before you put the LCD, make sure you put the speaker cover first. This one you have to put it, the speaker cover up here, so you can protect the speaker not to get dust inside. Okay, you put this one first. You take your time, you put it slowly. Okay, then now you can fix the LCD. Okay, you take out the warranty sticker. Don't leave it there, so the LCD can rest properly. Okay, then you fix the LCD. You take this cable, you pass it through here. Okay, then you put the LCD straight. Don't bend it, make sure it's straight. Okay, then you fix the LCD cable. Okay, then you push it like this so the battery can rest properly. Okay, you remove the plastic. Close it. Okay, now you have to fix the battery back. Fix the battery terminal. Then you fix the cover, the motherboard cover. Then you make sure you put all the screws. Don't leave the screw. Make sure you put all the screw behind. There are so many screws you need to put. All the screw you have to put. make sure you put all the screw. Okay, after I finish put all the screw, okay, now you need to close it. Put the back cover like this. Start from the front, close the back. Okay, don't forget the SIM tray. You put back the SIM tray. Now you can on it and test. It's okay.
Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel